I'm unboxing the Kentsky 60-inch electric fireplace. This is a wall-mounted fireplace or a recessed fireplace. First things first, we've got a box that says useful parts. We've got our remote control and instructions. It's like some kind of pad or something like that. Also, another useful part. Oh, we've got another box of stuff. Okay, this is obviously a pretty big piece of hardware. The cool thing that it does have on it is handles on the side. There's your remote control right there. Drywall things. Here are the batteries. Instruction manual. Oh, check this out. These are little logs. See, little logs. How cool is that? This is an electric fireplace, so these logs are designed to absorb and maintain heat, so it's like a stone, actually. These are like these little crystals and stuff that actually are gonna go inside your fireplace to give it this glow. Quite interesting. See, there are all those crystals, and then you have these crystals also. I definitely dig this sleek design of this electric fireplace by Kentsky. Ah, that's what I'm looking for right there, that flame. As you can see now, I have the remote. All right, turn it back on. That's one of my favorites right there. Got a temperature button right here. You change the temperature. Right now I can set it to 82. I've got it set to 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Also have a timer right there, so I can set the timer. And so I'll set the temperature as well. There you go. Got it on low right now. That is warming up right there, and that's on low. That's blowing pretty warm air. That's pretty cool. I guess these are your intakes, and this is where the heat comes out right here. So each side here is an intake, and then right here is where your heat blows out. This looks so cool. I'm so happy with this. I can't wait to mount this somewhere neat. I'm probably gonna mount this in my garage studio. How awesome is this? I wanna thank Radex for sending this to me. This is a paid sponsored video.